All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. When I was on the Samsung website, I said to myself, is this a leather case or what is it? They're calling it KindSuit case, and I'm thinking it's kind of like a faux leather. So it says premium case or whatever. So I got this one when I got my phone, and I was like, I'm gonna check this out because I've gotten some other leather cases coming for this phone, but I wanted to go ahead and check this out. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm curious if this is supposed to be like a faux leather case. So we're going to look at it together. Because you see that price right there, $55 basically. That's a lot for this case. So I'm thinking it's probably a faux leather case. Yeah, this is probably what it is. Yeah. I'm guessing it says made in China, designed by Samsung. I'm guessing this is probably a faux leather case here. It's okay. It looks pretty good in person. You got like these metal buttons. They appear to be metal. And then you got like the little metal camera ring around there. So yeah, this is like a faux leather case. This thing is, the microfiber interior is really nice though. And let me see something here. No MagSafe in here. Just wondered if they had it in there or not. But for $55, this is the official Samsung case, and I wanted to grab some official Samsung cases when I bought my phone. So we're gonna put this on because I liked how it looked, man. I was like, I like how this looks with the phone, and wow, it's actually pretty nice, man. It feels good. Little slippery, obviously. It needs to wear in probably, just to kind of see how this is gonna be. I don't know. It's a nice case. I don't think it's worth $55 though. That's asking a lot, especially if it's not real leather. So there's other brands you can get to actually get real leather cases, and I'll show you those later. But this is the official Samsung. I'm just gonna call it the official Samsung leather case. It's nice. I like to have some official cases when I buy certain phones, or just any of the phones recently I've been buying. But I think dating back for several years, I've always bought like at least one official case. But I got this one with the credits or whatever, so that's why I wasn't too worried about it. There's a lot of cases to be had. Like in my Project 13, he got like 4 or 5 of them with the extra credits. But if I had to do it all over again, I don't know that I would get this. I mean, I probably won't use this. It's actually really nice. It's just a little slippery. But yeah, let's check out wireless charging. You can see the wireless charger is on. And you can see the joint popping up down there. That's their new animation there. Yeah, so that's different. But yeah, man, the phone is absolutely phenomenal, and I will be covering more stuff on it here lately. But I did have another Samsung case, and I'll show you that one too. But for now, man, this is actually a pretty fire looking case. It's just a little slippery, and the price is kind of high. So I don't know that anybody would buy this, but I'll leave a link in the description to buy the phone, and you can navigate to it when you buy your phone, and then you'll be able to grab the case for free as well. Or you can use that same link to buy this case. But yeah, this is a good looking case for $55. I'm sure it's faux leather. If it's not faux leather, correct me in the comments, man, because I just got this because I thought it was a leather case, and I've always gotten all the leather cases from Samsung when I got the phone. So it is nice, but I don't know that I would wear it every day because it doesn't have as much grip right now. Maybe I have to wear it and break it in, but I do like it. For $55, if I was paying for a case, I wouldn't spend $55 on this. I'd give me something like a Rinky case for $19 because tons of grip. Something like that. But this is a nice case, and I chose it as one of the items to come with my phone. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't purchased your S25 lineup or any of these accessories, just use that same link in the description where it says I bought my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and you could grab anything from Samsung store with that link, and I appreciate it. Take care.